Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a hobby box of 2020 Heritage Miners. You get an autograph plus, an on-card autograph plus a memorabilia card per box. I always love Heritage Miners. And unlike pretty much all other products, this stuff has not gone up in price, I don't think. I think it was like $50 for this box, maybe, which is for opening hobby boxes. That's super cheap. I always love opening Heritage Miners, even though they're not in Major League uniforms. They are licensed at least, and usually there's some pretty nice players in the minors the last few years. So there's Baseball's Greatest Moments box topper. And it is Andy Pages. I'm not really familiar with that player. So I definitely probably don't have that card. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Here's the pack odds, by the way. Oh, so we got Tommy Henry, Alec Bohm. So I'm actually going to sleeve that card. So he is a definitely one of the better young players in the big leagues right now. Not a short print or anything. We got DL Hall, Brian Mata, and a Bo Naylor blue parallel. The blues look pretty nice. That's out of 99. Nolan Jones, Dominic Fletcher, Davey Garcia. Yeah, I like the blue on those. Alright, next pack. So pretty exciting first pack there. Got JJ Goss, Sean Higeli, Luis Patino. We got Alexander Canario. And this is one of those chance to win at pro debut cards. William Contreras, Tyler Stevenson, Tristan Casas. Bobby Bradley home run card. Miguel Vargas, strikeout leaders. Bobby Witt Jr. scratch off. That's cool. Brent Honeywell, Trevor Larnett, Logan Gilbert, Luis Campusano. And we'll peek through these, see if there's any short prints. The short prints are the cards that are numbered over 200. Which none of those are short prints. But I do want to sleeve this. This is pretty neat. Bobby Witt Jr. There's the little scratch off thing. Pretty cool. Definitely one of the top minor league players that you can get. I mean, for value, it's hard to beat Heritage Miners. Bryce Terang, Gabriel Rodriguez, Brent Rooker, Jackson. Oh, there's an autograph. Jackson Rowledge. So we hit our auto. Not super familiar with Jackson Rowledge. George Kirby, Royce Lewis, Sherton Apostle, and Braden Shoemake. So I think we just have our relic card now to find. Not numbered or anything on that one. Oh, there's a nice Marco Luciano back there. Aaron Ashby, Greg Kessinger, O'Neill Cruz, and another one of these, J.J. Bleday. Helio Ramos, Brandon Davis, Bo Naylor, and Marco Luciano. Definitely feel like he's going to be a top 10 prospect very soon. That's not a short print, but just a cool card. Oh, let's sleeve this. sleeve this J.J. Bleday. I don't know. There's probably somebody out there that collects the scratch-offs. Jesus Sanchez plays for the Baby Cakes. River Bandits, Frey's Nova, Geraldo Perdomo, Ethan Hankins, Jake Sanford, Christian Robinson, Gilberto Jimenez, and Sam Huff. Rangers prospect. There's Jackson Rowledge, this is a base card. Glenn Allen Hill Jr., Kanan Smith, Cal Raleigh. We've got a little mini J.J. Bleday. Ivan Herrera, Seth Beer, Alek Manoah for the Canadians. Still no short prints. Ian Anderson, Dylan Carlson, Jordan Adams, Alec Bohm, little mini card. Might sleeve that. I might. I will. Alex Kirilloff, Daniel Lynch, Mark Vientos, Michael Toglia. Simeon Woods Richardson, Travis Swaggerty, Brandon Marsh, Brian Hayes. Might sleeve that one too. Joey Bart, Tanaj Thomas, Evan White, Ryan Rollison. Brian Hayes, not a short print. Oh, that's weird. The Jordan Adams, the green, like, bled over into there. Usually get like 3 short prints per box on Heritage Miner stuff. Liover Peguero, Jeremiah Jackson, Antonio Cabello, another one of those. Peyton Burdick, Ryan Larvanaway, Daniel Johnson, and the pitching leaders. Alright, another one of these scratch-offs. Bradley Zimmer, we got Andres Jimenez, Jared Oliva, Shea Langeliers, scratch-off, Josh Lowe, Michael Bush, Gabriel Arias, Anthony Volpe. I might have to get Junior over here and play, if I get some doubles of these, actually do a game of scratch-off with him. See if it's any fun. Nothing there. Miguel Amaya, Keibert Ruiz, Estevan Florio, Monty Harrison, not a short print, Alex Kirilloff, Grant Levine, Francisco Alvarez, Adam Kloffenstein. Baetel Avelino, Parker Meadows, runs leaders, Hunter Bishop, another scratch. I wonder how many of these you get a box. Isaac Paredes, Max Lazar, Jordan Brewer, Orelvis Martinez. Oh, that one, this Alex Kirilloff is missing signature, so that's a type of short print there. You can tell because it says it right above the image there. Missing signature. Unfortunately, that upper corner is messed up, so it's not really gradable. But we'll see how that guy does. Tyler Freeman, Brady Singer, Matthew Lugo, Jonathan Stever, Sacramento River Cats, Austin Beck, ERA leaders, Daz Cameron. This pack feels a little bit thicker. We'll save it because it might be the relic card. We'll end with a hit. Matt Manning, Gabriel Cancel, Vidal Brujan, J.J. Bleday, Luis Gil, Logan Driscoll, Dalton Varsho, Alec Thomas. Surely we've hit some short prints by now. Yes, J.J. Bleday is a short print. That's a pretty good short print because he's a well-regarded prospect for the Marlins. So that's definitely one to keep hold of. Jordan Groshans, Edward Cabrera for the Jumbo Shrimp. Grant Gambrel, Nolan Gorman. Saves leaders, Braylon Marquez, Greg Jones, Jose Garcia. Eleuris Montero, Kyle Mueller, Shane McClanahan, Ryan Weathers, Bobby Witt Jr. Oh, please let that be a short print. Yeah, it is. That's a nice one. I'm going to think strongly about grading that one. See if I can get it in the sleeve safely. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna send that in for grading once grading opens back up. Innings leaders, Mason Martin, Josiah Gray. There's another one where the green is like bleeding over into the stuff there. Nolan Gorman, that's a short print. Number 219. It'd be nice if Nolan Gorman can tear it up this year in the minors for Cardinals. All right, and last pack should be a relic card or something here. Yeah, there's something thicker. So we got Cole Winn, Sixto Sanchez, Miguel Hilrado, Kyle Isbell, home run leaders, Yusniel Diaz, and SWB, Davy Garcia, game used memorabilia, like a black jersey. I think he's Yankees prospect. So there is our prospect, or our, not our prospect, our relic hit. Let's just check these real quick for short prints. Okay, so that was a pretty good box. Got a nice little pile of cool cards here. Got Davy Garcia relic, Nolan Gorman short print, a gradable Bobby Witt Jr. short print, J.J. Bleday short print, Alex Kirilloff with the missing signature, a bunch of scratch-offs, Cabrian Hayes, some little mini cards, J.J. Bleday, Marco Luciano, Jackson Rutledge autograph, Bobby Witt Jr. scratch-off, Bo Naylor out of 99 blue, and Alec Bohm rookie. All right, or not rookie, pre-rookie. All right, stay tuned for more videos.